Guys, you're Slaughter from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what to do in order to make your Windows computer faster. And into this video I'm gonna share with you two very simple settings that everyone should do to make Windows faster. Start on the start panel, and into the search field you're gonna type services, just like this. Click on it. Once open, please pause the video and take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like it. After, click into any option right here, and on your keyboard type W, just like this. Okay, scroll down until you find Windows Search. Here is the guide I'm looking for. Windows Search. Double click. It's gonna open this tab right here. Into startup type, you're gonna be able to see automatic delay start. Click on disable it. Okay, after you need to stop the process. Okay, you're gonna need to hit the stop button and type OK or apply, then OK. After, go to Windows Update. Into the startup type, or maybe automatic or automatic delayed start, go to manual. You do not want to disable this, but you want to make it manual. You need to search out into your own wishes for Windows updates. Click on stop, click on apply, click on OK. And that is, with just two simple settings, you're gonna free up some memory, some processing, some CPU, so you're gonna be able to make your Windows faster. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.